How to view installed RAM on Windows. So if you want to view what your RAM is, maybe you purchase your device but you don't know how much RAM your computer has. To check this is actually quite simple. Just go to your search bar and type in system information. Once you type in system information, you'll find this application or the settings of system information. And as you've done this, on the scroll down, you can just see this item section. You'll find option that says install physical memory, which is a RAM is 8 gigabytes. So in my case, my RAM is 8 gigabytes. If I add more, it will show up over here. Now these are not the ones, these are simply some of the virtual memory or available virtual memory or something like that. But the one that you have to see is this RAM option. This is your install RAM by default on your computer. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.